Hello kids, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. Today we will study Chapter 2 Big and Small from Numeracy Skill Book plus Workbook. Now first of all tell me, you know what is means big and small? I am here to tell you. Then big means bada and small means chota. Big means bada and small means chota. Let's study with an example. What are these? These two are pencils. These two are pencils. But at that I will tell you that big means bada and small means छोटा. तो ये वाली पेंसिल बड़ी है और ये वाली छोटी है. That means this one is big and this one is small. This one is big and this one is small. That big and small. Come back to our slide. This is elephant and this is rabbit. Elephant is big and rabbit is small. Rabbit कितना सा होता है? इतना सा छोटा सा. और elephant कितना big होता है? इतना big. That means elephant is big and rabbit is small. Color the big picture green and small picture red in each set. We have to color the big picture with green in color. Now tell me which one is big? Which one is big? This? No. This? Yes. I hope you all are coloring fast. Now tell me, which one is big? This or this? This? Right. Start coloring. All of you are doing now. Now tell me which one is big? This parachute or this? This? I hope you all are enjoying. Now tell me which one is small. Obvious, this one is small, this one is small, and this one is small. Now color red. Take color red and start coloring in small objects. I hope all of you are enjoying. Big and small. All of you have finished? I hope all of you understand this. Now we will meet in the next class. Happy learning, doing well. Bye bye. Take care.